Hello, my name is Keith Thompson. I work for a company called Axminster Tools and Machinery. We are based in the United Kingdom. We are situated in the south of the country. We have 8 retail stores, of which this is one. We have a very large website, and we have staff that visit customers in their own premises all over the UK. We have been trading with OAV since around 1998 to 1999. And over the years we have had many different types of products, such as sanders, dust extractors, panel saws, table saws, very large rip saws. Nowadays we specialise mostly in a range of band saws and the smaller panel saws from them. So when you have a long-term relationship, as we have had, the standard of service that you get from that company is actually a really key ingredient. And yes, although the products are inherently very well designed, very well built, you will always get some problem or some issue with a customer's machine, and how quickly that can be resolved, the help given, how quickly parts are delivered to you. They are all part of that key ingredient that is the service from the supplier to us as retailers, which we can then pass on to our customers. And yes, if we need something really quickly, we can have it really quickly. It's as simple as that. We do carry spare parts ourselves, and we are supported in that role by OAV, but in general terms, the standard of service we get from OAV is nothing short of exemplary. And married with that is training. We have started to sell edge banders in a reasonable number. We're not really known for panel production processes, but the smaller edge banders suit our customers. OAV recognised that it was a completely new departure for us, and they sent one of their engineers, I think his name is Kevin, and he spent almost an entire week training our service engineers and some of our service and sales guys that go to the customer's premises and meet with the customers to discuss problems. So we have that confidence to be able to sell that product, knowing that we have the skill and the expertise to be able to service the customer if there's a problem with the machine. And that's part of the backup service that we get from OAV. So it's thumbs up from us on that score. It's really good. So over the years, we have been able to keep the same contacts in OAV. There's a lady called Mary Wu who has been there forever, it seems. We can remember her being within the sales office and then as part of the engineering team, and now she is one of the senior managers that specialises in the panel saw and edge bander production. But she's always available, and she is always emailing us to suggest new things. And why haven't you done this? And why haven't you done that? And it's things that we never think of, really. It just goes to show the breadth of knowledge that OAV and their staff have in not only our company's business, but in business worldwide. They seem to have a really good finger on the pulse of the woodworking business, almost worldwide. In a way, I know our business is relatively small, but she still pays that same amount of attention, and that is reflected right through the whole company. So it is another critical factor in the continuing development of trade between our two companies, and I think that is a really valuable asset to have.